Told Leon he needed to leave. That's when he completely lost it. Started screaming about how I was threatened by his friendship with Elsa, how she'd always love him more, how their connection was deeper than anything we had. Elsa looked mortified and told him to stop. Leon grabbed the ice cream cake off the counter and slammed it on the floor. Pink and white ice cream exploded everywhere. The plastic happy birthday decoration shattered into pieces. Everyone just stood there shocked while Leon ranted about fake friends and jealous boyfriends. He stormed toward the door, knocking over drinks and decorations on his way. Slammed it so hard the pictures on the wall shook. We all rushed to the window to make sure he was actually leaving. That's when we saw it happen. Leon was speed walking down my driveway, still yelling at nobody, when his foot caught the garden hose I'd left out after watering the plants. He went down hard, face first, into the concrete. His body started shaking and twitching in a way that made everyone gasp. Someone called 911 while Elsa and I ran outside. Leon was having a full seizure right there in my driveway.